Welcome. This will be your first test with our Python platform. You will spend a lot of time in it. So we want to make sure you understand how it's work. Python was specifically designed to be a highly readable language. The Python syntax is made for ease of use and have made it one of the most used language among the freshers as well as the expert. Python is very simple programming language and it has a very straightforward syntax. It encourages the programmers to program without boilerplates, which is prepared code. The simplest directive in the Python is print directive. It simply prints out a line and also includes a new line like C++. There are two major versions, as you know. The first one is Python 2 and the Python 3. But Python 2 and Python 3 are quite different. In this lecture, we will totally focus on the basic syntax of the Python 3. But I will give you some of the touch with a Python 2 syntax as well. Here on your screen, as you can see that when you are just working with a basic syntax and when you are just getting the string of a hello line, so here a print function is using. The print function is using to get the output to the user, where you can see that I'm just writing that this is hello and this is hello world right here. You can see here, simply go to the run this file, and you can see that click on the basic syntax. You will find the output right here, which is the hello world, which is the output of this line right here. Now here you can see that I just run this code into the PyCharm compiler. Now here you can see that I'm just running the same code here, where you can see that I'm just writing print here is the hello world, and then I just close this code right here. This is the same Python 3 version. I just run this into the shell, and here you can see that my code is running properly right here. If you want to run a script of Python 2 right here, so simply you have to remove these parentheses right here. You can see that with these parentheses, and on the place of that you have to write print, and then simply you have to write hello world right here. This is just a syntax difference between the Python 2.7 and the Python 3. I'm just removing this code right here and just come back to our main IDE, which is a Python charm. So this is our code what I'm just running in a IDE right here. If you want to run a Python script mode right here, so just simply go to the CMD right here. Here firstly I'm just writing the Python. So as you can see here, this will get 3.4 version of Python right here, which is interpreted with my command prompt. But I'm just using 3.8 versions of Python right here with PyCharm IDE. So don't confuse it right here. Now same code I'm just running right here, where you can see that I have to write that this is hello and world, and I just close this code right here. When I just run this code, so you can see here I just find this output right here. Same is the case like that. You can see that here when I just run this code, so I will find the hello world as the output. So simple. You can also work with a Python multi-line text as well. When you are just using multi-line text with your Python code, so you have to write simply this slash sign with it. Here you can see that I have to write hello and this is slash sign. So hi, this is world. So as we saw that in Python, a new line simply means that a new statement, and it has all through Python does provide a way to split a statement into a multi-line statements, or to join a multiple statements into it. or a logical lines as well. You just simply write enter, or you have to write this slash sign right here to split your screen right here. Here you can see that I'm just running this code, and here you can see that this is hello, hi, this is word right here. Hope so you understand now that how simple is it. So these are some of the basic concept of the Python as well. If you find any of the problem regarding to this lecture, please let me know, and thanks for watching this lecture. See you in next lecture.